Okay, so today we're going to make a sweet potato soup, spiced with some curry powder, and it's got coconut milk in it, really kind of smooths it out. It's so easy, it's really delicious, it's healthy, it's vegetarian, it's vegan. Let's get on with it. Okay, let's have a look at what we have here then. So we've got our sweet potato, I'll speak to you about that in a moment. So here, 400 ml of coconut milk, 1 cup of carrots, 1 cup of red lentils, 2 tablespoons of garlic ginger paste. Garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. You can get it in most stores, depending on where you live. Onion, 1 cup. Curry powder, 2 teaspoons. Let's get back to our sweet potato. Now you can see I've got my sweet potato in water. Now, when you cut a sweet potato, it will go brown very, very easily. So what I always do when I'm ever preparing any type of sweet potato, cut it, pop it into water. It kind of keeps it from discoloring. So that sweet potato, what is there? There's maybe 4 or 5 cups worth. It's just one large sweet potato. Let's get to the cooker, get this on the go. It really is easy and fabulous. All right, so you're gonna need a large pot. In there I've got some oil. I'm using a corn oil. You can use any oil you want. We're gonna first drop in the onion and the carrot. I tell you what else is nice in this as well, maybe a bit of celery, if you fancy that. We're going to get the red lentils in, or the dal. We're going to add salt. And we're going to add black pepper. Above medium heat, about 3 or 4 minutes. There you go, 3 or 4 minutes just to get it on its way. And look, by the way, that sweet potato is sort of that sort of size. Just give you a rough idea, because they come in obviously all different types and sizes. And also, you get a lot of sweet potatoes that are different in colour. I've drained off our water, in that goes. These are quite yellow. You get some that are just, you know, completely white. There's a few different other varieties as well. Okay, look, we're going to go for another 3 or 4 minutes, above medium heat. We're well on our way. This really is lovely, this soup, honestly. Fab. Right, a couple of tablespoons of garlic ginger paste. Now, if you can't get garlic ginger paste in a store, just chop some garlic and ginger. Just get it nice and small and get it in there. Couple of teaspoons of curry powder of your choice. And we're going to go just for another 2 minutes. Keep it moving all the time now. Right, you've done pretty much all the hard work. Let's get some water and get it in there. What we want to do now is bring that to a boil. Let it go for about 15 minutes. What we're looking for is really, really soft vegetables. Look at your carrots, because they'll be the hardest one in there. The sweet potato will cook quite quickly. We've still got our coconut milk to go. Okay, so that's all really nice and soft now. Like 15 minutes, that's enough time for those carrots to cook definitely in there, and the lentils as well. So off goes the heat. Now, just by the way, the amount of water that I put in was about 2 pints. We're now going to add in 400 ml of the coconut milk. Then I'm going to liquidize this. Now, I've got one of those submergible ones that go in, you know, it goes in, bang. I'm going to use that. And then we can adjust the consistency if you want it a bit thinner, a bit, you know, a bit thicker or something like that. It might be quite thick when we do this, but we'll take a look. I'll be back in a moment. Okay, so I just whiz that up for like a couple of minutes, and that's a beautiful consistency for me. It's thick, but I like it like that. Now if you wanted, you could get some cilantro in that, chopped coriander or cilantro, whatever you call it. Check it for salt, it's done. Lovely. And there you go. Really, really easy, really tasty and delicious. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. I really, really do appreciate it. We're going great guns. We've got over 100 million views as I speak, over 500,000 subscribers. I mean, we've been going for some years now, but yeah, we're doing great. We're just banging away. Just moved house, so you're going to see a bit of a different kitchen very soon in the next videos, if not already. This might be on the end of one of the new ones. I'm sitting in a completely empty house right now, apart from this table and a couple of bits, because we've been so busy doing that. Enjoying ourselves, kids are fine, and yeah, enjoying life as much as we can. Now, if you do want to support the channel, and I really would like you to if you want, there's a link below for a PayPal account. Stick in $1,000 for me, will you? Every week, without fail. No, seriously, if you want to donate any money, even like $2, $3 or something like that, it really does help us out. We don't endorse any products. I don't sort of take sponsorship from anyone. Basically, because I don't think most of it's any good, to be honest. Not that I'm sort of not a capitalist, but yeah, if you want to donate, that'd be brilliant. Check out Rahel's channel, which is Ethiopian food that she does. She's doing great with that. All in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia. Might be a bit difficult for you to watch. Chef June is obviously banging stuff out on the channel here, doing some fantastic Filipino stuff. He's also got his own channel. Again, the link's down below for that. That's it. Doing well, enjoying life. Hope you're enjoying life as well. Again, thank you so much for checking out our channel. See you later.